Hey guys, Yiji here from Meta.us, and you might have seen some Razer ID gated competitions around Meta.us, and I'm here to explain how you can enter those competitions. Now first, if you have no idea how to create an account using Razer ID, you can look at my other video explaining that. But for now, let's assume that you have already created a Meta.us account using Razer ID. Now all you have to do is navigate back to that competition. Now I've created a test one here. And as you can see, it requires a Razer ID to register. But since my account uses a Razer ID to register, all I have to do is click on register now, enter my mobile number, and submit registration. And I'm done. It's as simple as that. Once you've registered for your Razer ID Meta.us account. And if you guys need any help, just pop on over to our Discord and tag @Freakofnatur without an E. If you guys want to reach me for help, or you can email us feedback@meta.us. Hope this video has been helpful. Good luck for your competitions, and I'll see you guys around.